Oh, you must have seen this. This was big news. Twitter's rumored undo send feature. I know you got all kinds of feelings on this.
Do I?
Yeah, you do.
I'm glad that it's hopefully coming out. That's it.
That's it. All right. Well said. Basically, the way this works is kind of like the undo feature on Gmail. It is not an edit button that many have wanted. There's an animation here that showcases how such a thing could work. This feature was discovered by app researcher Jane Manchin Wong. She says Twitter is working on undo send timer. Now, how this would work is you would have this progress bar with a big button that is also a button that says undo. And I suppose if you notice typo or something like this, or you have second thoughts on the tweet that you're about to send, you could hit this button to undo and recraft it, be done with it, whatever. I think this is genius. It gets them away from having to worry about the delete, not the delete, the edit thing, which it seems they're not interested in, or they would have done it already. But it still gives you a sort of an edit, like one shot at an edit.
Undo's a little quick though, the timer.
Really?
What if you have like a paragraph?
I
Maybe
think
looking at those typos and
nobody tweets a paragraph. You tweet a paragraph.
Some people
Okay, you're right.
They have the 1 out
They
of
do.
100.
Oh man, you're when the people put the number in the thing. Oh my god, you're right. Will, you're right. Maybe. How about this, Will?
But the
hang on.
Yeah.
The undo progress bar is relative to the number of characters in the tweet.
Yes.
Dynamic.
Good job. You did it.
I work for Twitter.
You saved Twitter.
I work for Twitter.
Yeah.
Jack, hit me up. I got nothing going on. I'm not busy at all. As you can tell, I'm not publishing videos every single day. No, that's not me. Somebody else. I got time. I'll come on down. I need an engineering role. I'll be in the creative side of it, though.
Sure.
I'll speak to the engineer. I'll say, there it is. It's dynamic.
Yeah.
What a nightmare that would be. Imagine me. Imagine you got to listen to me. What a nightmare that would be. Anyway, yeah, so a lot of people have wanted something like this. It may or may not come out. Another thing mentioned in this particular article is the potential paid subscription model with the super follows. And here's something that I read that maybe as part of the premium version of Twitter that they could roll out in order to increase revenue, that they could make this feature part of premium. To try to encourage people like, don't you want undo tweet? You could have undo send. And you could also have profile customization options that no one else has. I don't know. I could see some people paying a few dollars for that. But it would be nice to see it roll out to everybody.